Welcome to this video on how to use experiential marketing to improve online customer experience. In this video, we will explore how experiential marketing can help improve the online customer experience and how you can implement it in your digital marketing strategy. If you're a business looking to improve the online customer experience, this video is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand what experiential marketing means. Experiential marketing is a type of marketing that focuses on the customer experience, rather than just selling products or services. This approach focuses on creating a memorable experience for the customer that makes them feel part of a unique experience. Step 2. Identify critical points in the online customer experience. To improve the online customer experience, it's important to identify critical points where the customer may have a poor experience. For example, if your website is difficult to navigate or if the checkout process is complicated, these could be critical points. Step 3. Create a personalized experience for the customer. To create a memorable marketing experience, it's important to create a personalized experience for the customer. Use customer data to create a personalized marketing experience that meets the customer's needs. Step 4. Use social media to create an engaging marketing experience. Social media is a powerful tool for creating an engaging marketing experience for the customer. Use social media to create engaging content, such as videos, images, and polls, that create a unique experience for the customer. Step 5. Use experiential marketing to create an engaging marketing experience. Experiential marketing is a type of marketing that focuses on engaging the customer through a unique experience. Use experiential marketing techniques to create an engaging marketing experience for the customer. Step 6. Monitor and analyze the online customer experience. It's important to monitor and analyze the online customer experience to understand what works and what doesn't. Use customer data to continually improve the online customer experience. In summary, using experiential marketing to improve the online customer experience requires understanding experiential marketing, identifying critical points in the online customer experience, creating a personalized experience for the customer, using social media and experiential marketing to create an engaging experience, and monitoring and analyzing the online customer experience to continually improve. If you found this video helpful, we invite you to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest news in the world of digital marketing. Thank you for watching the video.